In this video, we will solve systems of linear equation using the elimination method. And we will solve two problems. This is the first problem, and the second problem will be this. So let's do the first problem. So in order to do the elimination method, we need to set this side to 0. So we would get y minus 4x is equal to 0. I'm simply distributing this 4x over here. The next thing we need to do is kind of rearrange this. We could say that y minus 2x is equal to minus 4. All I did was put the y here and put the minus 2x here. And now for the elimination step. So I'm going to change one of these terms. This one or this one. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to make everything negative. So this is positive, this is negative, this is negative. Instead, I'll make this negative, this positive, and this positive. This way we can use the elimination method, because now what we're going to do here is combined. So y minus y is 0y. Minus 4x plus 2x is going to be minus 2x. 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. And so now we can say that x is equal to minus 2. And so this is the first answer. Now we plug in minus 2 for one of these equations and solve for y. So the easy one is the first one. So we can say that y is equal to 4x, and now we can replace x with negative 2. So y is equal to 4 times negative 2, and so y is equal to minus 8. And so our answer, our solution will be negative 2 comma negative 8. And we can box in this answer. And if we wanted to check, we plug in negative 2 here, and we plug in negative 8 here, and we would get negative 4. We can try it. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 minus 8 is negative 4. And so that's why we know it's true. And so now we will do the second problem. It's almost the same thing, except now we need to rearrange this a little bit differently. So the first equation will remain the same. We can say 4x plus y is equal to 4. And I mean, essentially I can choose to cancel for x or y. Here I will cancel the x term. So I would get, 2x minus 4y is equal to 5. This is this equation. But I want to cancel out the x equation. And so what I'm going to do here is multiply this line right here by negative 2. And this way, what we will get for this line will be, so negative 2 times 2x is minus 4x. Negative 2 times negative 4y would be plus 8y is equal to negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. And now I will combine this equation right here and this equation. So 4x minus 4x is 0x. Y plus 8y is 9y. Is equal to 4 minus 10 is minus 6. And so we could say that y is equal to minus 6 over 9, which would equal minus 2/3. And so y would equal minus 2/3. And the next thing that we need to do is solve for x. And so we'll plug it into this equation. So we can say that 4x plus, we say y was negative 2/3. So plus parentheses, negative 2/3 is equal to 4. So 4x is equal to, so 4 could be written as 12 over 3. 12 over 3 is equivalent to 4. And now I will bring this negative 2/3 over here. So we can say plus 2/3. So 4x is equal to 14 over 3. We divide by 4, and so we would get x is equal to 14 over 12. And so this is equivalent to x is equal to 7 over 6. So now we have the x value and the y value, and so our solution would be 7 over 6 comma minus 2/3. And we can box this answer in. This is our final answer. And if we wanted to check, we can plug these two values in for x and y in both of these two equations. And that's all we need to do for this problem.